Hey everybody, how's it going? I've gotten a lot of people back onto regular P from online, so I hope you're having some fun. We've been doing a game called Cross the River or Acid River or Zombie Apocalypse or whatever you want to call it. It's been a lot of fun. I know it's hard to do that at home, but I'm going to give you a little video a guy made that I think is pretty fun. So hopefully you and your parents can enjoy. So our lesson this week is, again, I like to do superhero warm-up. I think it's awesome. Pick whichever one you want. Do as many as you want. We're going to bring back the Cowboy Ninja Barrack Fitness video. It's a lot of fun just to give you guys an opportunity to play because we do that here. And then the Cross the River video. There's a video here about this from this gentleman that created a kind of an idea on how to do it at home. So very simple this week. Should get some good fitness in and hopefully some problem solving skills. You're going to use your brain also. So enjoy this.